Hello everyone, welcome to ninth session of Core Java. In previous session we discussed about database management system. In this session we will see RMI means remote method invocation. First, RMI is a API that provides the mechanisms to create a distributed application in Java. RMI provides the remote communication between the application using two objects like stub or skeleton. Stub, it is an object act as a gateway for the client side, and skeleton, it is an object act as a gateway for the server side object. Next, we create the remote interface. First, import the Java RMI, then the create interface adder, then extend to the remote. Then we create the function add. So use the public int add. Then add function create with a parameter. First parameter is a int x, then the int y, then this throw the remote exception, then they provide the implementation of the remote interface. So we add the RMI and the RMI server. Then the RMI remote will be extended to the unicast remote object implements to the adder. Then the throw the remote exception. Then super function we add and create the add function and return the addition of x plus y. Then create the stub or the skeleton object using the armic tools. Then the start the registry service for the RMI registry tools. This file is included in a Java. Now the start the registry service by using the RMI registry tools. If you don't specific port number to use by default port number. For example, we suppose use the port number 5000. Next, create the run and the server application. So, import the RMI or RMI.registry. So, create the my server class, and in this class, we add the try or catch block. So, in a try block, we add the adder stub and create the object like adder remote. Then naming dot bind, we add the localhost 5000 and catch, so exception catch we add and print the e, so exception. Next, for the running RMI, so we first compile the all files. So we use the commands java c star dot java. Then all files are compiled and then create the stub or the skeleton object by the armic tool. So armic adder remote, then the start armic registry in one command prompt. So our RMI registry port number we use for the 5000. Then the start server in other commands prompt. We start the server. So we use the Java C my server dot Java. So compile and Java my server, then start the client application in another command prompt. So Java C my client we add. Let's see the RMI example on Eclipse. So first open a CMD. So first we go on store the files, then CMD. After open a CMD, we add the Java C star dot Java. So all files are compiled. Then we go on. Then start the RMI registry. So open again CMD for the RMI registry. Then RMI registry print. After we start the RMS registry, then again create open a CMD for the my server. Um, then add the first compile the all file, then Java my server. So server is running again CMD for my client. Next, all file are compiled. So use the command java c dot start dot java. Next, we add the Java my client. So output is a 38. So we addition of the two numbers is 38. We adding the we add the two numbers. Thank you.